Good morning. My name is Rais Mansoor. I want to wish all the teachers that have been guiding me into a right path a very happy Teachers' Day, especially to the directors of my institution, Masterminds, because they have been working so hard and even in this pandemic time, going through a lot of difficulties and providing us with quality education. They have been providing us with online classes, materials, and they have been asking for feedback whether everything is good or not, we are able to understand or not. And special wishes for Radha ma'am, Krishna sir, Mohan sir, and Prakash sir because they have been guiding us since the beginning of our intermediate journey. And I'm very proud to be a mastermind student.
A very happy Teachers' Day to respect Radha Ma'am, Krishna sir and to all our teachers who are supporting us in this pandemic situation. ఈ టైంలో కూడా మాకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ పెట్టి ఎగ్జామ్స్ పెట్టి మాకు ఎంత హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్న టీచర్స్కి వీ విల్ బీ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బి a part of Masterminds. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to all our teachers and the management of Masterminds.
Long greetings to everyone and happy Teachers' Day to every teaching and non-teaching staff who helped me in studies and whatever so on. So, and I wanna share few words to you. Coming to Masterminds, such a great institution who build the futures of every student with their full efforts and everything. Coming to Radha ma'am and Krishna sir, we are very thankful to you because you helped a lot in this pandemic situation, as I said before, education, and moreover you helped in financially by providing extra time to the students who are unable to pay. It's so sweet of you ma'am and sir, you are so kind to us. To this pandemic situation, Masterminds helped us a lot by providing online classes facilities with full efforts. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity and pleasure to share all my feelings about Mastermind, and moreover happy Teachers' Day.
Hi, I'm Siddhartha. I'm a student of Masterminds Satya Bhavan Guntur. I'm a senior intermediate student. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to thank our directors Radha ma'am and Krishna sir for their tremendous efforts. I would like to thank our teachers for their ineffable efforts. They are taking classes online. Taking classes online is not at all an easy thing. They are doing that. I would like to thank them for imparting qualities like honesty and diligence. They made us capable to take an exam confidently. They made us capable to face up to critical situations. They made us capable to shake off our tensions. Thank you.
Hello sir, wishing a happy Teachers' Day to our respective Radha ma'am, Krishna sir and all our teachers who are helping even in this pandemic situation. మా స్టడీస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవ్వకూడదని చెప్పి ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ పెట్టి మాకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ a part of Masterminds. I will be very thankful to all our teachers and directors and wishing you a happy Teachers' Day sir.
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to Radha ma'am, Krishna sir, Mohan sir and Prakash sir. You've been supportive to each and every student of Masterminds. We wish each and every staff, teaching staff and non-teaching staff of Masterminds a very happy Teachers' Day. Even in this pandemic situation, you have held our academic standards well. Every staff member of Masterminds has worked hard to go through this pandemic. We are looking forward for many more achievements of Masterminds in the coming future.
Good evening, Prakash sir. Happy Teachers' Day. Because of your motivation and guidance, we are able to achieve our goals and build our career. All the efforts and hardships that you invest to bring best in us can never be repaid in mere words. So we are very much thankful to you. So once again, happy Teachers' Day.
Good afternoon, sir and madam. Firstly, I would like to thank Prakash sir and Mastermind management for conducting online classes even in this pandemic situation. And I wish that our Mastermind should get even more glory in coming years. And I hope Mohan sir, Radha ma'am, Prakash sir, and lastly Vijay sir should always be happy and healthy. Once again, thank you all for doing such a hard work for our future and welfare. And I'm proud to say that I'm a student of Masterminds. With this, again, I thank you all for all your support and guidance and for all the love and affection which you have shown towards us. Last but not the least, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Prakash sir. First of all, I'm proud to be an icon of Mastermind. We are witnessing all of your sincere effort and care towards us. Even in this pandemic situation, all of our teachers, hosts, in charges, along with directors' support and coordination have provided us a great classroom environment. We are all thankful to you, sir. but thanks is just a word for all of your efforts, sir. Your academic planning, doubts clarification classes, motivational classes, whatnot, everything ensures us a great future with moral values, sir. I think this is the auspicious occasion to felicitate all of our mastermind team effort. May God will be with us in all of our odds and ends.
Teachers Day to all our teachers, mostly Radha ma'am, Krishna sir and all our lovely teachers. Happy Teachers Day ma'am. I am going to give you clarity about mastermind in one word. సో సక్సెస్ అయినప్పుడు మీ సక్సెస్కి సీక్రెట్ ఏమన్నా ఎవడన్నా అడిగితే ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ ఓన్లీ వన్ వర్డ్, దట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మాస్టర్. ఇంత పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా మెటీరియల్స్ కొరియర్లో పంపిస్తూ మాకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు అందిస్తూ చాలా చాలా అంటే చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. లాస్ట్ బట్ నాట్ లీస్ట్ సార్, ఐఎమ్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బి స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ మాస్టర్.